Nike continues to spotlight performance as the core of its business, and this shift is clearly reflected in the brand's streamlined running lineup featuring the Pegasus, Structure, and VOMERO series. A key player in that lineup, the Nike VOMERO Premium, returns with a striking new bright crimson edition. This model keeps the classic white and black base, an iconic Nike combo, while injecting powerful energy through bold bright crimson stripes that cut through its ultra-high, super stacked sole. The color doesn't just sit on the surface, it bleeds into the air zoom units and slitted windows, giving the shoe a visibly amplified look. Neon insole details and selective branding highlights add extra pop, while signature elements like the up-tempo style air lettering and lateral mini swoosh remain intact. With Nike leaning heavily into sport-driven innovation, this updated VOMERO Premium reinforces the brand's direction. Expect the bright crimson colorway to hit Nike.com soon at its usual $220 price point.